Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Techtronics Senayan Berhad. We are the LD display design manufacturer house. In front of us, this is a 6-digit LD binary display panel. Where you can see the first digit is empty. Later I explain why it is empty, followed by 0 to 0, 0, 0. So let's start our presentation today. This is the controller box, where you can see the first digit connected by 3 wires. That means that 1, 2, 4, 8. But I have connected 2, 4, 8. When the digit more than 10, it will show empty. So for example, if I connected 4 off, it will show a negative sign. This is what we programmed earlier. So let's say, for example, now the digit number 2 will show 2 because I have connected 2. So I want to add one more, so it becomes 3. You see that 3? So this is the ground basically connected from the supply. So for example, this is 4. So 4 plus 2 will become 6. You can see that? So now I connected 2. When I connected 8, comes 0. That means empty. If more than 9, it will be empty. So followed by 1, 2, 3 digit, and the behind will be 4, 5, 6. So let's say I connected 8. So you can see that the last digit will be 8. So I connected again 8. So you can see that the second last will be 8. So the last one will be 8. So you can see that now it's 0, 2, 8, 0, 0. So let's say I connected to 2. So you can see that it become 2. So the second last I become 2. It become 2. And the last one become 2. So it become 2. This is how the binary display works. So for example, now I connected to 2, 4, 8. I take out 8. Basically it become 6. Let's see. So this is 6. If you like my video, help us to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.